Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you about 5 things to see when we see our financial records. Financial records means the profit and loss account, the balance sheet and the cash flow statements. When we look at these, and I'm sure we all have seen these, we really sometimes don't know what to look for. So let me tell you, the first one is to evaluate the business as a whole and understand the ramifications of the finance function as a part of the business. In this, we look at the interrelationship between the profits and the loans or other external funding that has been taken by the organization. The second thing is we need to understand terminology. Each business or each function has their own terminology. Finance too has their own terminology. So when we say post-paid expenses, when we say prepaid expenses, when we say outstanding, or we use the term receivables, payables, long-term liabilities, current liabilities, what is it that we are actually saying? What does assets mean? So these are terminologies that we need to understand. The third that we need to understand is when we look at our balance sheet, when we look at our profit and loss account, is to look for the profit function and understand the profitability of the business. To understand the profitability of the business, we also need to understand the fourth thing, and which is called cost. To understand cost, to understand its own behavior of cost, to understand how to manage cost is the fourth thing that we've got to do. And the fifth is to understand financial efficiency. To create efficiency, we need to understand how finance works in the system, to lubricate the system better, to make it run like a well-oiled machinery. To make it run like a well-oiled machinery, we need to calculate what is our collection period, how fast are we collecting money from our debtors, how fast are we paying them back, how fast is our stock moving. To understand all this, if you are interested and if you feel that this is knowledge that will make you function better, click on the link below and join me for a masterclass in finance. I promise you that it will be an interesting session which will empower you, make you better in finance and help you to understand your own functioning both as a person and as a professional much better. Welcome to the finance session.